Hi friends, welcome to Sura Agriculture Land Promoter Developers. Now we are going to see about 24 acre of red soil agriculture land. The soil type is pure red soil, which is not having any limestone, not having boulders, and you can see the soil. Okay, this is the soil type. Okay, the cross section of the soil. You can see the cross section of the soil. The soil is pure red soil. You can see the soil. This is fantastic red soil. You can see. So this red soil is suitable for all type of crops, including trees and horticultures. Okay, so this soil is fantastic soil. Here 24 acre available with a very good groundwater source. Okay, around 2-inch pressure you can get within 200 feet depth. Okay, 200 feet you can get 2-inch pressure. If you dig further 350 feet, you can get 3-inch pressure. Okay, the water is tasty water, sweet water. This water is suitable for all type of cultivation work. Okay, this soil is also fantastic soil, suitable for all type of cultivation work. It is a red soil. Usually we have 3 type of soil. We have black, red and grey. Okay, the red soil is higher one. Okay, costlier. Okay, compared to all other soil. Okay, so now we are going to see the well, nearest well. Okay, which is having plenty of water. Okay, I will show you the well, nearby the well. The well is not within our boundary, but actually just want to show the water level. So now we can see the well. Okay, the well which is very close to the land. Okay, the boundary there's a boundary. Okay, the well is apart from the boundary, but I just want to show the water depth. So the well has the total depth of the well is around 60 feet only. The 60 feet water depth available in this well, and we can have fantastic road access for this land, like survey record. The road available in survey record, government survey record. This road is available. Okay, this is sandy road only, not tar road. From the tar road to sandy road, around 200 to 400 feet only. Okay, nearly 2 furlong. You can say 2 furlong from the tar road to this land. Okay, so we have government record, survey record. We have the road is available in the survey record map. The land area is 24 acre, and this land also having one very big advantage. The land has a free electricity pole. Free EB is available. Only one free electricity pole is available inside the land. See, this land actually has surrounded by many villages. Actually, left side, right side, and straight away we have 3 villages surrounding by the land, and also one lake. You can see the lake. Actually, you see the bund over there. The bund is the lake. After the bund, you can see very big lake is there. Okay, this very big lake very close to the land. Okay, our boundary is there. There's our boundary. Actually, the post, you can see the post, electricity post. The post has free electricity, free EB available inside the land, and the access, you can see the access. This sandy road access is available inside the land. So this access from here to tar road around only 2 furlong from the tar road to here. This is our land. From here to tar road only 2 furlong, and also many villages surrounded by this land. And this land has 2 access. Actually, this access from the tar road, and this sandy road will lead to one more tar road over there. Straight away, if you go straight away, one more tar road is available. So land documents are clear documents, single owner only. The patta already changed on the landowner name. Okay, the document is clear. Water is pure water, tasty water, and soil is pure red soil. The total area is 24 acre, and So free electricity posts available in the land. So electricity is there, water and soil and access is tar road access and available very close to the land. So all positive points only. So there's no negative point to tell. Okay. If those who would like to purchase a land, please contact me. My WhatsApp number is 8489761364. Please send me a text message. Please send me a text message in WhatsApp. I will reply to you. Thank you very much.